What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tyrana here, and today I am bringing you another video all about how long it takes to get monetized on YouTube. Stay tuned. I just wanted to remind you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so you don't miss out on the juicy content that I share every week. I just wanted to make it clear, I am not doing YouTube because of money. Well, kind of, but not mainly because of money. I just wanted to make it clear because that's the wrong reason to do a YouTube. If you're making YouTube for money, you will dry out, because trust me, it's a long process. If you saw my previous video, you will get to see that my reason to do YouTube is deeper than that. Although I would love to have it as another source of income, but it's not my main reason. The great thing about getting monetized on YouTube for me is like it's an evergreen kind of source of income. As long as YouTube is running, you will always get paid. I mean, think of it, you do a video today and in 3 years time you could still get paid for it. People who have been doing videos like 5 years ago, they still get paid for those videos. That's why it's better to make evergreen contents, so that your video could be working for you even after 5-10 years. You could still get some money from the ad that is running on your videos. Basically, being monetized on YouTube means that you officially become partner with YouTube, meaning that you share ads on your videos, YouTube get paid for the ad, YouTube gives you a little commission. Everybody wins. If you are a small channel like me, you probably must be wondering how long it will take you to get monetized on YouTube. Guess what? The answer is 10 years. I'm joking. To get monetized on YouTube, you have to be eligible. I think there are about 4 or 5 requirements. The first one is to be in line and up to date with YouTube partner program policies. The second one will be to be in a country where the YouTube partner program is available. The third one is to have more than 4,000 public watch hours. Like, this is the hard one, like 4,000 hours in the last year, meaning that you're not just gonna go like, okay, I'm gonna start counting from 3 years ago. Whatever you did 3 years ago is not relevant. It's 4,000 hours of 12 months to be eligible. The fourth requirement is to have at least 1,000 followers. So you see, that's why I'm always like, subscribe. And the fifth one is to have a linked AdSense account. So the more subscriber you get, the more watch hour you get. That's why it's very important to craft your video in a way that will increase your chances of being picked by the algorithm, so you can appear in people's page results. How long it takes to get monetized really depends on each channel. I've seen people who got monetized just after a month, and I saw people who took like 3 years to get monetized, but you get there in the end anyway. In average, it takes about a year. Give yourself a year or a year and a half, and finger crossed you can get there. That's why I always say that if you're gonna make it on YouTube and grow your business, you have to be patient and consistent. For us small channels, it's very important to do the basic things that you can control right now to increase your chances of getting there. Things like crafting your video in a way that will be seductive to the YouTube algorithm. Think of your title, your description, your tags, your keyword research, your niche, and all those things. I made a video all about understanding YouTube algorithm. If you want to check it out, the things that I am doing, I think you should do too if you're a little channel, is to do your research, pick the right keywords, optimize your title, optimize your description, optimize your tag, take time to design your thumbnail, use the YouTube algorithm for your advantage. Another thing is to create longer videos. I'm not sure about you guys, like since I started my YouTube, my videos are like more than 10 minutes. People keep saying that, why don't you do short videos? Why don't you do this? I'm like, look, YouTube likes longer videos because it gets people to stay longer on their platform. So the more people spend time on your YouTube, the more YouTube is happy. Another advantage of creating longer videos is that there are certain length of video where you're not allowed to put more than 2 ads. So it's better to do longer videos because you can put more than 3 ads. And it means more money. Another thing that you can do when you're waiting is to set up your monetization setting so you don't waste time when you finally monetize. Things will go faster because you sorted out all those things already. The process will be faster for you. So do everything you can now so when the time comes you don't have to run around. Oh my god, I need to do my AdSense account. Oh my god, I need to choose which type of ad to add on my videos. So do what you can now so that when the time comes everything just flows, you know, your money just start coming in your account without delays. I can just tell you what I am applying right now. Just be patient, just be consistent, because it will pay off at the end. Keep going. That's it for me for today, guys. I hope you like this video. I wish you all the best with your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video.